sadly the charger for my batteries, for my drill battery, broke off. But I thought, what can I do with it? So I came up with a nice idea. I just used the charging plug to build a speaker with USB for charging up your phone. So let's see how it sounds. So put in the battery. It's a little bit hard to get it on. Now it's in. And you have a nice button to turn it on. It lights up. By the way, I used all these, the amplifier and the USB charging ports. You can see here. So it's all recycled from an old radio that I had lying around, and also this USB charger was a broken one as well. So I just teared that apart and took everything out, wired everything up, and so it's fully recycled electronics in here. Let's have a listen, shall we? For now, I wish it has Bluetooth, but I didn't find the Bluetooth module for the moment, so let's use the aux channel. Maybe in the future I will add a Bluetooth module when I can find something from a other broken piece of electronic, hopefully. Now turn on the music. Let's see what I have here. It's actually pretty loud, to be fair, so you can really turn it up. So that was it. Hope you liked it. By the way, you can store away the cable. I thought of this as well. And I really like the switch here. It's actually not a LED inside, it's mechanical. I don't know if you can see, there's a lid that opens and closes. Pretty funny. And I put on some Velcro. So when you're done, just open the Velcro. Put the cable in. Take off the battery.